Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put the text over the image on Elementor. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. As an example, you can use Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Word. I was going to say WordPress, not WordPress. Firefox maybe, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. And once you go and open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type elementor.com and hit the enter button. And that should take you directly to the homepage or the main screen of the Elementor website. If you have an account, make sure to go to the top right corner, click at login, and you will find that page to enter your email, password, then sign in into your account or log in into it, or you can even continue with your Google account to get logged in into your account without any time wasted. If you don't have an account, click at get started here at the top right corner, or you can click on that on the middle. Here, choose the design to start your website. Let's say, an example, digital marketing for me. Start with this design. And as you can see, they'll actually ask you to pay for a plan, first of all, so you can start using the design. If you don't want to pay or anything, just go back and click at skip and start with a blank website, and you can create your own. But as you can see, they'll even ask you for the same price, which is the basic plan. Of course, you can click on this, or if you already have a hosting, click at see our plugin only plans. As you can see, there have the essential plan, expert plan, and the agency plan. Each comes with its own features and price. So once you created your account or you sign in into your account, you'll find yourself on something like that, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen after you logged in into your account on Elementor website. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to put the text over the image. So let's just get into the Elementor builder. Here, let's just get our image. And let's just choose this as an example, select, and let's just get a text as an example. Let's just say hidden. And let's just type in this hidden, or let's just like that, we don't care. So let's just get or click into the image and click on advanced. Go now to this margin, click here, and simply let's just get this margin down. Sorry, until it goes across this text. So now let's just click on this navigator and click on our hidden. Now, as you can see here on the left, click advanced, go to the Z index and type 9. And as you can see, the text will be over the image now. And of course, you will be able to change your margins even more on your advanced settings. As you can see, you can put it to the right, to the left, and it will be like that. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.